queen.
Yes, what is it?
I be want ask you something.
Okay, go ahead, I'm listening.
My queen. Is it bad make ordinary palace maid fall in love with prince?
No, it's not. Why do you ask?
Because I'm in love with one of your sons.
My sons? Which one?
Nochi.
You are in love with Onochie, my son.
Yes, my queen.
Why?
I don't know. But something just dey tell me, say, this is my life. Na royalty life I come. It just dey push me go near royalty. They push me go near royalty. Na royalty now I deserve. Now I deserve.
Then pursue your dream.
You know they give me attention, my queen. He does not even look at me. You know they give me attention at all.
Keep trying. Keep pushing. Maybe one day he will accept your offer.
Thank you, my queen.
You're welcome.
You sent for me.
Now when I question, I've been answer.
I'm just telling you.
Hey, watch your mouth. Watch your mouth. May you give yourself sense. Or else I will just surprise you now. Go bring juice for me for fridge.
Okay.
Wait. Don't forget to add cool water. Put her for glass. Then pour inside tray.
Okay.
Hey, you know ask me whether I do later I want to be that. You know whether it don't end.
Are you done?
Now you want to cook me before I come done?
I'm sorry. Have you finished?
God no ever let me finish for this life when I come. Which kind of talk with that? Go bring what I say may you bring. Let me finish. You see yourself. No be you be this now. You see how the table don't turn? Like this, like that. Cha cha cha. You see how the table don't turn? Eh? Make you learn to be nice to people for this life. Anybody where you meet, they nice to them because you don't know what tomorrow fit be. Not look down on anybody. You see I'm now?
I am sorry.
I beg they go.
Are you sure you don't want anything?
First I enter my mouth.
You kissed him.